Unlocking the secrets to a cost-effective trip. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines travel with smart budgeting. How to plan a cost-effective trip. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or anyone in between, learning how to travel more affordably can make your adventures more enjoyable and frequent. So, let's unravel the secrets to making your next journey not just memorable, but also easy on your wallet. First off, let's break down what we mean by cost-effective trip. A cost-effective trip is one where you maximize the value of every dollar spent. It's not just about finding the cheapest options. Rather, it's about making smart choices that combine saving money with enjoying a high-quality travel experience. This means planning a trip where you spend less while still experiencing the best a destination has to offer. Planning is key to a cost-effective trip. Here are some steps to consider. Research. Start by researching your destination. Look for free or low-cost attractions that are highly rated. Museums, parks, and historical sites often offer rich experiences for a small fee or even for free. Budgeting. Set a budget for how much you want to spend. Include all possible expenses like flights, accommodation, food, transportation, and activities. Timing. Travel during the off-season when possible. Prices for flights and accommodations drop significantly during these times, and you'll also benefit from fewer crowds. Accommodation. Consider alternatives to hotels such as hostels, vacation rentals, or even house sitting. These can offer more value for your money. Transportation can eat up a significant portion of your travel budget. Here's how to save. Flight deals. Use flight comparison websites to find the best deals. Be flexible with your travel dates to get cheaper rates. Public transportation. Once at your destination, use public transportation instead of taxis or rental cars when possible. It's not only cheaper but also a great way to experience the local way of life. Food and shopping are part of the travel experience, but they don't have to break the bank. Local eats. Try local markets and street food for authentic and affordable meals. Avoid tourist traps where prices are higher. Souvenirs. For shopping, look for local and meaningful souvenirs instead of expensive items. Markets are great places to find unique gifts at lower prices. Planning a cost-effective trip doesn't mean you have to compromise on the quality of your experience. It's all about making smart choices that enhance your travel while keeping costs down. We hope these tips help you plan your next adventure more affordably. Safe travels, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making the most of your travels and your budget. See you in the next video.